everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you my nighttime skincare. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know it, but if you don't, let me tell you, I am taking a medication for my skin, which is basically isotretinoin, also known as Accutane. And yeah, I am in my purge phase, and I will make a different video on this topic, on this whole Accutane isotretinoin topic. Because yeah, I don't want to like loosely just throw things around like these words, and then you somehow, if you get your hands on it, I don't want that whole issue happening. So anyways, this video is basically for anybody who has oily acne prone skin and you want to see what other people who have oily acne prone skin they use. This is me showing you that. So firstly, when you are taking any kind of treatment for acne, even if it's not like this extreme, okay, like what I'm doing is extreme, but even if you are doing something like applying benzoyl peroxide face washes or salicylic acid serums, anything like that, you will notice your skin gets really dry and oily at the same time, which is really weird. So you need to keep applying lip balms, and I have a lot of lip balms. This is just the one that was lying around, which is why I'm applying this. This is the one from Laneige, which is their sugar, yeah, cinnamon sugar. This one I have also spoken about this on my Instagram. It's a really good lip balm. Okay, it gives a beautiful tint. I have not applied too much, so you can't really see the tint, but let me just show it to you guys. See, this is the color, this is the tint. Okay, it's very natural, very beautiful, very nice. It has this very thoda smell of cinnamon, which is just perfect. Yeah, if you like sweets and that kind of stuff, you'll probably like this cinnamon fragrance. Okay, then I'm going in with this Wonder Tea Tree Pore Fresh Toner. Okay, this is from Tony Moly, and I use cotton pad, and I just wipe my skin with that first. Now of course I have washed my face, and if you have access to water and soap, just wash your face. Like you have cleansers, you have makeup removers and all those things, and honestly, if you are in a situation where there's no water, I understand, but if you have access to water, just like always make it a point to wash your face. Like for heavy makeup, I understand you might need all that, but yeah, even if you use a can you see thoda, like just some dust and dirt comes off. So yeah, a lot of like brands, they're coming up with products like oil cleansers and stuff, saying that you don't need to wash your face afterwards. But why? Like you can just go and wash your face. It's very silly. And yeah, this is literally, can you guys see what my skin is looking like? See, all this was like what's it called, a cystic acne, which was coming, and then it got curbed because of this other medicine that I'm taking with isotretinoin, which is very important again. See, again over here, it's a big, it's like when you start taking Accutane or this whole treatment for acne, you have to understand that there is a time when things are gonna get worse. See, so yeah, they're gonna get really bad, but you just have to stay calm and not panic, just not playing around with medicines and stuff. And I learned that later, that you can't just stop using medicines and just start using medicines and not complete the dosage. That's very harmful. So this is the first step. Then after that, now I have two options. I will be talking more about this on my Instagram, so if you're not following me, please to follow. I'll put the link in the description box below. But these are the two ceramide toners, which are really good, very affordable also. This one is from Plum, which is their CeraSense Milky Toner. Yeah, Milky Toner. And the other one is this one from Hyphen. Now here's the thing, if you want a toner for the morning, I would recommend this one. I would recommend this one. It's very lightweight, very, you can see the consistency also. It's very like water like almost. How can I show you? See, it's very like water like, it will just dissolve. Okay, but this one is a little bit more hydrating, and let me show you what I mean. Okay, so see, this is also like water, but it's a bit heavier. Can you see? And this is just gone, but see, this is a bit heavier, right? So in the morning, I would recommend go for the Plum one. If you want like a morning routine, just swap with this. And for the night time, because I'm not going anywhere. I don't really care if my skin looks oily or not. I am using this one now, because my skin is very dry. Okay, so I am doing everything in my power to not let it get very dry, because if your skin gets dry, it is going to have more breakouts, more comedones, more blackheads, more redness, all of that. So you want to hydrate your skin as much as possible. And the best time to do this is at night, because you can genuinely apply the product the way your skin would like without having to worry about the aesthetics, like, you know, is my skin getting too oily or this and that. So now I am just gonna let it completely absorb. Also guys, if you are someone who has acne prone skin and you try out a new product, it burns your skin, a very high chance the product is not the problem, it's your skin barrier. So you just want to use products without any fragrance at that point. Okay, so let's say you get this hyphen toner. Now this has no fragrance, I believe, but I will confirm and I'll put that on the screen somewhere. So let's say you apply a product that has no fragrance and your skin still tingles. The product is, you know, okay for acne prone skin, someone you trust has recommended that, and it's burning your skin. Please understand, it is your barrier, it's not the product. Use a good or a thick amount of a good barrier repair moisturizer, and within a week to 14 days, I think your skin will get much more stronger, and then you can use any product that you would like. On Instagram, when I recommend some product, I'll get DM saying ki, you know, but this is tingling and all. So that's when I always tell them this, ki first check your skin barrier and then take a call. Is the product the problem or is it your skin that needs help? Okay, yeah, can you see how my skin is looking? It's not the product is absorbed, okay, it's absorbed, but it is just the product. Yeah, so in the daytime, if you apply it, apply a smaller amount and use what you say, a mattifying moisturizer on top of this. And yeah, I think on top of that, then use a sunscreen and, you know, do your whole process. But this is a very good product, very, very, very good, and it's good for oily skin, dry skin, skin with broken barrier. It's just good. Now I'm going to be using a very controversial moisturizer which works for some people and which does not work for some people, which is Emollient. This has always worked for me. If it does not work for you, I understand, don't use it. I will actually, I am making a video on, you know, barrier repair moisturizers on my Instagram, so go follow me there. I will try and make one here on YouTube as well. I will also actually maybe share that on YouTube Shorts, in case you follow me on YouTube and not there. But yeah, I love using Emollient. Now the thing with Emollient is, this does not have ceramides. Okay, this has propylene glycol, which helps the absorption of other ingredients in here. Okay, and even on this particular moisturizer, I'm gonna make video because I have like a lot to say about this. But yeah, this literally will hydrate your skin like crazy, especially if you are, you know, on some vitamin A treatment or you're applying retinoids, retinol, whatever. This is really good. This is what my skin is looking like. I don't have any filter, I don't have too much light also, so you guys can actually see what my skin is looking like. Can you see my pores are not really big, and pores and acne, they don't always go hand in hand. You have to have a different line of treatment for that and a different for acne. So yeah, for acne, though, of course I will be sharing a lot of content, like a lot of content coming your way. But yeah, I'm just showing you, if this moisturizer works for you, it is such a good moisturizer, guys. It's such a good, like, I have not found a dupe of this moisturizer, to be very honest with you guys. So that is really it. You don't need to apply anything else. If you have any other barrier repair moisturizer that you want to apply on top, you can. See, there are some days when your skin is going to feel more dry than others, right? Like today is not that day for me, but on days when my skin feels very dry, like even Emollient moisturizer starts tingling on my skin, like I know my skin is very dry, then I don't have it here. I either go with the Moleculaire moisturizer or the Bioderma moisturizer. Both are really good. Okay, I can't see them anywhere here, but yeah, I will share barrier repair products in my next video, my next reel, my next short. Somewhere I'll share it. Please make sure you're following me. I try to keep it systematic, like I'm sharing one product everywhere, but it is very difficult. I don't know why. It just gets very confusing for me to keep track of what I am doing on YouTube and what I am doing on Instagram. I hope this video helps. I hope it gives you a little bit more insight as to what people who have acne prone skin are doing. And yeah, all these products are safe except Emollient. Please check it. If it works for you, great. I wish they made a smaller size of this product, because this product is not that expensive. I think it's 300 or something, 380 for this whole tube. And yeah, but they don't have small size. So if you know someone, your friend, someone who is using Emollient, go, you know, try some from hers for like a few days and see how your skin is reacting. And if it's reacting good, go for it. It's really good. And if you have oily acne prone skin, apply it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you very soon in my next one. Let me know any questions that you have about acne, anything really. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.